Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best fiber optic lights that are available on the market for their true quality. I put this list together based on my personal experience and hours of research. I've ranked them by popularity, quality, price, durability, user reviews, and more. If you'd like more details or want to see the latest prices, be sure to check the description below, and don't forget to subscribe for more reviews. Alright, let's get started with the video! Starting at number 5, we have the EA Fiber Optic Mood Novelty Lamp with color-changing crystals. The EA Fiber Optic Mood Novelty Lamp creates a colorful and mesmerizing ambiance with its color-changing crystals base. Measuring 8 cm and weighing only 200 grams, the lamp is portable and easy to carry around. To power on, you will need 3 AAA batteries. With its unique design, this lamp can evoke wonderful childhood memories and adds a touch of playfulness to any room. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Kasyat 10-piece LED fiber optic wands. The Kasyat LED fiber wands come in a set of 10, offering a vibrant array of colors for your events. With their 4 color options, pink, green, blue, and yellow, you can easily match them to your party theme. These wands feature 3 lighting modes: fast flashing, slow flashing, and constant glow, adding a fun dynamic to your celebrations. Made from durable acrylic, they are safe to use and designed to last, ensuring you can enjoy them for many occasions without worry. At number 3, we have the PEN&H Sensory Fiber Optic Lamp. The PEN&H Sensory Fiber Optic Lamp is a battery-powered lamp that can help you relax and create a calming environment for both children and adults. It has an auto color changing feature that can create a peaceful and delightful environment with its 7 colors. The lamp uses high-quality LED bulbs that provide bright, soft, and lasting light. With no cable needed, this lamp is easily portable for use anywhere. It also comes with a lifetime warranty and free customer support for life. At number 2, we have the LED Fiber Optic Lamp with Crystal Base by Tuanse. Illuminate your space with the Tuanse LED Fiber Lamp. This set of 2 lamps comes with remote controls for easy operation. The creative ice cube shape and colorful optical fibers create an attractive display. With 5 color-changing modes, you can adjust the ambiance to suit any occasion. The gorgeous decoration adds a charming glow to your room, perfect for tables, desks, or shelves. Powered by batteries, this lamp is convenient for various events and interior decor. And finally, at number 1, we have the Novelty 13 Fiber Optic Mood Lamp. Novelty Fiber Lamp is a USB-corded, color-changing lamp that stands at 8.33 cm and weighs 200 grams. Crafted from plastic, LED, and ABS materials, this lamp is designed to evoke wonderful childhood memories. The USB-corded feature allows you to easily power the lamp without the hassle of batteries. The color-changing crystals base creates a mesmerizing visual experience, perfect for enhancing your mood or creating a soothing ambiance in any space. The compact size makes it convenient to place on your desk, nightstand, or any corner that needs a touch of enchanting lighting. Thanks for watching. That's all for now. I hope to see you in the next video. Until next time.